Hey, what is up everybody? It's Tim, and I tell you, it's been a busy week. I know I haven't put any videos out lately. I've been thinking on like what type of topics and what I was gonna post, what kind of filming I could do, what are some techniques I could add in the video, and just so much has come to mind, and I haven't put anything out. So earlier this week I was trying to do some filming, and I know my Hero 4, the lens was completely scratched, and I tried fixing it, tried buffing it out, but after doing all that, it warped the lens and it did not recover. So I had to end up replacing the lens, and I ordered a new one, and it just came in yesterday. And as well as my iPhone 6 Plus, I have a majorly cracked screen, and so I just ordered a new screen for that. And instead of paying some guy to replace it for 150 bucks, I said why not try it. So I had ordered the screen and I just got it in, so I'm going to attempt to replace that screen. I tried doing some filming on it several days back, and I noticed as well that the lens is so far gone that I wasn't getting any audio with all the video I was recording on the front camera. So all that video had to go to waste, and it was a whole day that was completely wasted. But I'm excited. I also got in, also, I just got in a new lens, and this lens I'm excited for because I know my wife is wanting to do a lot of photography, and so I ordered her the Nikon AFS Nikkor 50mm 1.8G, and this thing is going to be amazing. I couldn't quite afford the 1.4. I know that can get a lot better in the dark, but just being 1.8, this should be good enough. And I got a good steal for this at like $130, and this will give your picture some amazing features, pop out those colors, and I'm excited to see even what it could do using it for a video. Hey, I'm gonna try it out. I don't know anything about this lens yet, so it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna try to get this done and replace this and see how this works out. Since I'm fixing the screen, I did have to order the free LifeProof case because I do not want to have to do this ever again. And I hope this case is good. I've never used it, and I haven't really seen it on too many phones, but apparently it has the best ratings because it is the top rated phone case for the iPhones. So we'll see. Alright guys, so I just got done putting the screen on, and it worked. The screen is nice, it looks clean, no missing pixels, and I just checked out the video on the front microphone, which wasn't working before, and now it is working. So I think the front microphone was just out of place. Now it works. And here's the old screen. No, damaged. Time to toss it out. Alright, the phone is now sealed in the LifeProof case, and I will say this phone case seems kind of flimsy, but the edges do feel pretty firm. So doing the kind of work I do, working outside, I'm hoping this will work well and I won't have any more broken screens, and this will last quite some time, like for maybe a season or even two, because I really don't want to get a new phone for a long time. After having so much luck with the iPhone 6, I think I might get started right now with the iPhone 5 and go ahead and replace the screen on that one right now. And hopefully that one should take even less time now and hopefully a little bit easier. And so